Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming software and simple conflicts. Make sure Color OS is updated and critical apps are current, because bugs are often fixed in updates. Once done, turn off Bluetooth, Do Not Disturb, and any scheduled or third-party volume profiles to rule out automation. Reboot the Oppo, then test volume with wired headphones and the phone speaker. You want to see whether the issue is system-wide or tied to one output. These quick checks narrow the problem fast. Next, dig into Settings. Open Sound and Vibration and Accessibility to inspect volume steps, media volume sync, and any adaptive volume features, because automatic adjustments can come from accessibility routines. Then review recently installed or updated apps that have audio, equalizer, or overlay permissions. Revoke audio permissions temporarily to test. If the problem persists, reset app preferences or boot into safe mode. This disables third-party apps so you can confirm whether a downloaded app is changing volume. For stubborn cases, you escalate. Clear the system cache partition to remove transient corruption, and if necessary, back up and perform a factory reset because software corruption can cause fluctuating volume. You can also create a fresh user profile or reinstall Color OS through recovery to restore default audio drivers. Once done, test audio again. If volume still jumps, the issue may be hardware. Contact Oppo support or an authorized repair center. One key tip: document when and how the jumps occur to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.